Shenzhen J&R Electronic Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of daily use digital measuring tools, include kitchen scales, luggage scales, pocket scales, bathroom scales, body fat scales, fishing scales, crane scales, kitchen timers, pill storage timers, alarm clocks, BBQ thermometers, hydrometer thermometers, and pedometers. More than 150 models for choose. All of our core engineers work in this field over 10 years. Every year we develop at least 10 new models. The workshop area is 1,450 square meter with 4 production lines, monthly production capacity up to 150,000 pieces. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. We can provide fast sea freight, air freight, and express service with best price. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, all our products comply with EU and US quality and safety regulations. Our products are also exported to clients in many countries and regions as USA, UK, Germany, France, Australia, Italy, Mexico, South Korea, Netherlands, Russia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We have successfully cooperated with some famous brands. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, feel free to contact our foreign salesman about your sourcing requirements.